farmer's secret. For example, if the farmer is working in the field and suddenly rain appears, what will the farmer do? What will its animals and its grain do? For this, we have a solution. If the rain comes, the rain sensor will detect it. It will send a signal to the Arduino, and the Arduino will send a signal to the servo motor from which the shade will open. Now we both will show you a live example. Like this it opens, and when the sunlight comes, it goes away. So this is an affordable and reasonable idea for farmers, and government too can help them in this. And over here, sometimes the grains, after post-harvesting, the grains are kept in shade basically. But here there are two situations too. In one situation, the farmer is rich and he is capable to make a warehouse, and he has place also for the farm in the field. But in the second situation, over here, the farmer doesn't have much space and the warehouse is very much high cost. And the grains also need sunlight or it will get dark. So that's why we have created this shade which will detect the rain after coming, and whenever the sunlight shows again, it will go back to its place. And we have created this because the grains are very much important for financial and living need. And it gets financial loss also if the grains get wet. And the farmer is very much hardworking also. This is an example for the animals. As suppose the farmer is not very rich, so he has a small house, so he can't afford a place for his animals. So this is an example for the animals. So if the rain comes, the shade will open for the animals, and animals cannot get sick and they cannot get into any tragedy. And one more point over here I would like to add. These animals always search for shelters, because wherever the shade will open, they will also get a shelter between, because sometimes if the rain is very much means it is pouring very loudly also, and thunderstorm and everything is also there. That's why if there are no trees present in the surroundings, they will search for a shade which it will open directly whenever they will need it. And one more point we would like to add is, if the windmill goes away, if the windmill runs, and we will also